Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to discuss about packing and unpacking of tuples. So this is a continuation of a Python playlist and we are going to continue our topics towards Python programming. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. So let's begin our topic towards Python programming, and today we are going to discuss about packing and unpacking of tuples. Okay, so first we'll take an example of a tuple, then we'll try to understand what is the packing and unpacking. Okay, so I will take tuple underscore example or ex is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma, then we'll go for 66 77 88 98 then 10. Okay, so here we have given some components to the tuple, I think some 10 numbers we have given. We'll try to run this particular cell and we'll try to recall this particular tuple. Okay, so here you can see all the components of a tuple. Okay, so this is known as packing of the tuple. So we have defined a variable tuple underscore x and we have given the components for that particular tuple. Okay, and now suppose if I assign some a comma b c d e f g and 6 7 h I j. Okay, so here there are some 10 components and here also some 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and here this one I will assign it to tuple underscore x. Okay, now let's try to run this particular cell. Okay, so we have defined a variable tuple underscore x and we have given the components for that particular tuple, and then we defined it as a packing. Okay, so now let's try to see what will happen right now. So I will just give C. Okay, and I will try to run this particular cell. So here you can see the output what we got is 3, because when it comes to A B C D E F up to J, so I have assigned it to tuple underscore x. Okay, so when it comes to tuple underscore x, these are all the components of the tuple underscore x, which is known as packing. Okay, so when we give a value like a or b or c up to j for this particular tuple underscore x, so it will throw the output or it will give the output for which the particular value is assigned to that particular position. Okay, suppose if I give it as j, that is a 10th component of a tuple, and I will try to run this particular cell. So here we got it as 10. Okay, suppose if I give 1001 and if I try to run this particular cell, it will give 1001. Okay, so whichever the values we give when we assign it to the tuple underscore x, so it will give the value for that particular position, or we can say like a not indexing, we can't say the indexing, we can say it's a particular position. Okay, so this is known as unpacking of the tuple. Unpacking the tuple. Okay, so this is known as packing and unpacking of the tuple. So that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please just subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.